Alright guys, we're still on stoichiometry. We just did moles to atoms in a element. Now we're going to do moles to atoms in a compound. There's a little twist to this. So the problem is, how many atoms are in 3.47 moles of C3H8? Also known as, if you guys know how to name, tricarbon octahydride. That's how you name it the molecular way. So the first thing we want to do is realize, okay, we know how many moles we have. We know the conversion factor to get us to molecules, which is just Avogadro's number. Molecules per 1 mole of the compound. Because remember, compounds are made up of it's a molecule. The C, the carbon, and the hydrogen, those are atoms in the molecule. So now that we have this and this, we can get to molecules, so we can see how many molecules 3.47 moles are, but it's not asking for that, it's asking for how many atoms. So we need to figure out a new conversion factor. We need another conversion factor to say how many atoms are in this molecule. So right now, there's the molecule, so one molecule of C3H8 is equal to how many atoms? And you look right here, there are 3 carbon atoms and there are 8 hydrogen atoms. So there's a total of 11 atoms. So this is our last conversion factor. You could say one molecule, C3H8, has 11 atoms in it, total. So now we have our 2 conversion factors and our starting point. We can do the problem. Okay, we start out with our moles. Now we want to get to molecules, cancel out the moles, so we need to put the moles down here is equal to Avogadro's number. Have molecules. And then it asks how many atoms, because right now we're to molecules, the moles cancel out. So then we have to use our other conversion factor, which is for one molecule, we have 11 atoms in it. So molecules cancel out. C3H8 molecules, don't forget to label. Now we should be able to work this out on the calculator. 3.47 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd times 11. And I got 2.297. We have 3 sig figs, so it should be 2.30. And that would be times 10 to the 25th. And that is atoms. So now we have our units, we have our sig figs, we showed our work, and we got the correct answer, so that's 4 points.